Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the US dollar CAD, I do think this is very likely to still be an uptrend. I think it's 5 waves up for A. I think we're now going to make 1, 2, 3 waves down for B, and then we'll probably make another 5 waves up for C. Or probably it's an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. Either scenario, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first big push down is the wave A of wave B. I think we've already got the wave B of wave B, and I think we are very likely to already be going down for the wave C of wave B, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the dollar CAD has been extremely sideways for probably about at least a few weeks now. Definitely a couple months, probably even. I still think there's some clarity in here, though. I still think there's a wave one right here. I still think this is a big ABC of two. And I still think there's a very good likelihood we're already in that wave three, that it is going to break out and this is going to keep on making lower lows and lower highs. So, keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for 3 waves up. We do have an impulsive up. We do have a break of structure, so more likely than not, this is a wave A. Now, sometimes what you think is a wave B, which is what I would think that this would be, is a wave B. Sometimes what you think is a wave B will just keep on trending down. So be aware that the trend is down, and it very easily could just keep on trending down. But if it does, make 3 waves down and positive up, then most likely at that point it will go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels and make a more proper ABC correction before it continues the downtrend, which definitely seems like it should be what happens. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be calling this a positive up wave A. I would assume that we're most likely in a wave B now, which would probably take out this low before it goes up and makes a wave C. I would definitely assume that we'd make a proper ABC correction up to one of these higher Fibonacci retracement levels. But like I said, sometimes what we think is a wave B will just keep on trending down. So be aware the higher time frame trend is down, and it really doesn't have to go up and make a proper wave C, even though it looks like it should make a proper ABC correction before it continues the downtrend. It always could just keep on trending down. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.